Hey there, egg lovers. Today, I've got something special for you, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. This is the original and most trusted egg cooker on the market, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. With a 6-egg capacity, you can cook up the perfect eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness, all while saving time and water. The eggs come out consistently perfect with the shell easy to peel, and clean up is a breeze. Not only does this egg cooker make perfect hard-boiled eggs, but it can also do soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, and individual omelets all within minutes of the push start button. It's the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those with busy schedules. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, making it perfect for small kitchens, college dorms, or even camper RV traveling. The sleek design and trendy color options will accent any kitchen space, and all the included accessories fit inside, taking up even less space. And if that's not enough, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker includes a poaching tray, omelet tray, 6-egg holder tray, measuring cup, recipe book, and recipe database access. And best of all non-electric parts are dishwasher safe. So, if you want the perfect eggs your way every time, then I highly recommend you grab the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. And you can get yours by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on the satisfaction guaranteed by the most trusted egg cooker on the market.